No. What's going on, guys? In the shop today, have this Craftsman string trimmer, 30 cc's. It's a 4-stroke. Main complaint coming in today is that there's no resistance to the pull cord. So got to figure out what's going on in there. I've seen this before on these. I'll show you real quick how to fix it, and then I'll make sure it runs and everything. But right now, I need to be able to do that. I need to do all this, and I don't have the speed start, so I'm just gonna, try to fix the pull cord and see what's going on. So first thing I got to do is get this cover off. I have to take these 4 bolts off, and then there's another bolt underneath, and we'll pull this off. So T25 Torx bolts. And this should be able to lift up like that. And then you have another one right here. I don't have to take this all the way off. Just kind of get it out of the way. Take this one off. This one's a different screw. So don't screw these up when you're going back in. One's coarse and one's for machine. And we can pull this off. Don't lose your screws. Now, here's the problem. I said I've seen this before. These guys aren't supposed to spin all the way around like that. There's a little groove right here, and they're supposed to stay in there. What happens is a little pin on the bottom breaks off. So I'm going to pull these off, and I'll show you the new ones and how to put them on and why this happens. I'm going to move my gas tank out of the way. And behind here, there's a little C-clip I got to get off. Usually use like a fine screwdriver if I can. Sometimes a pliers. Just get in behind it, give it a little pry. Normally I'd say worry about losing these guys, but this is it. The kit comes with a new one of these, so I'm not too concerned if it does go flying. Then this will come off, and then there's a spring here, and you get a spring in the clip as well. Let me get the other one off. Again, get in behind, give it a little pry. There's the other one. Pull that out. That spring went flying. Don't worry about it. My fuel line came out of here. All right, here's the new kit. So it comes with everything I need. I can put a link in the description where to get this. Now you can see in the difference of the new one and the old one. All right, they're a little bit different. It has this little extra tab, not a big deal. It's this little piece here that's the problem. Okay, so now when this goes on, this spring has this little hook on the end. That's got to go around this little point right here. So we're going to put the piece in. The hook's underneath there. Again, might be hard to see. And that goes there. There we go. Let's try it again. This has to be on this side, by the way. There we go. Now that's going to stay in that groove. Okay, now we got to get that clip on the back. This can be tricky. I usually try to put it in with a needle nose, and then I'll push it on with a screwdriver. If the fuel tank's in your way, just move it. Got to push in, get it lined up. Come in with a screwdriver and give it a little push. There we go. Now, same thing on the other side. Put it on like that. Hook the little spring, set it on there. Okay, now we got to get the clip on the back again. Get it lined up. Get it started. Hold it there. Oh, yep, there we go. Good. That should do it. Let's give it a shot. Let's put it together, try it out. Let's reverse this whole process. That's working. So now I just got to put these bolts in, and then we'll try to start it. Last one. All right. All right, that's it. Couple of tools used. You know, pliers, a little small screwdriver to get the old one off, screwdriver to put it on, T27 Torx, and just this kit here. And I said I'll put a link in the description where to get it. You follow those instructions, should be able to replace that. I got it right on Amazon. This kit actually came with 2 of these for $12, $13, something like that. So you have a backup in case it happens again. Got any questions, hit me in the comments. Appreciate the feedback. You can check out some of the videos there. You can check out my channel there. Catch you guys next time. Thanks for watching.